And if you want to find the arc length, and let me just write it down now. I'll put this down in green. For the arc length, anyway, for the arc length, we pretty much look at all the DLs from here to here, and let's just put it down here. For the arc length, we pretty much just add up all the DLs from here to here, and of course, we are talking about for the arc length, we pretty much just add up all the DLs from here to here. Of course, we have to use integrations. So let me put that down. We have the DL here.